Hey guys, happy Vlogtober, day number 10. I cannot believe it's already the 10th. Like, where is the month going? Anyways, it is currently 10:20 and I'm getting a little bit of a later start to the vlog. Basically, I just wanted to edit and upload yesterday's vlog, which I finished editing it. It rendered. Now I just have to upload it and do the thumbnail. And then I have a ton of designing that I have to get done today because tomorrow's new release day. So I really need to stay focused on that. And if I have time, I would like to film a plan with me, and I also want to film like the face-to-face sit-down portion of the like vendor experience video that I want to put up, but I don't know if I'll get all that done today. I might have to push that to tomorrow. Today's main focus is just getting stuff designed and ready for tomorrow. So on the schedule for today on my to-do list, I have edit vlog, upload vlog, thumbnail, design, photos, print, and cut. So I've already started printing some of the new releases that I've designed, but I just have to like cut them. Obviously I have to do the listing photos, so I just have quite a few things that I want to get done today. Just have a lot going on. And then tonight I'm actually getting a massage. It's an 1.5-hour massage, which is going to be so nice. I couldn't get in to see my normal person, so I had to go with somebody else. But honestly, like, my back has been hurting and my neck, and I just broke down. I was like, I can't wait till the end of the month. I need to go get this taken care of now. So I'm doing that tonight. And then we also have to go to Target because our nephew's birthday party is tomorrow and we don't have a gift. So we've got to go get a gift for that. So we're gonna go to Target later. So yeah, we just have a lot to do today and not a lot of time to get it done in. So I'm going to stop vlogging and we'll stop face-to-face vlogging, and I'll just show you guys like what I'm designing and everything, and then later I'll like pop on and talk if I have time. So that's what's going on today. It's gonna be kind of crazy, but let's just get into it. Let's get busy and let's get this work done. Okay guys, so I've been designing for a while. I don't know how I feel about this new kit, so I'm just gonna have to play around with it. But I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat some lunch, and my battery is flashing, so I need to charge the battery. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit when the battery is charged, I have recharged, and we figure out what's going on with this kit. Okay guys, I am super confused. There's a fire truck that's driving around my apartment complex, but their lights aren't on or anything, so I don't think there's an emergency, but I don't really know what they're doing. I don't know. Anyway, I have completely changed what I was doing today. I mean, I'm still like working on stickers, but I had a kit that I was designing. I think I showed you guys a clip of that, and it just was not happening for me. So I actually remembered that I had another kit that was basically done. I just had to do a few things to it and then it was ready to go. So I did that one instead. So there's still gonna be 2 collections, but one of them is not gonna be the one that I showed you guys. I think I'm gonna save that for next week because it just was not happening for me. Like, I could not figure out what I wanted to do with that kit. I'm currently cooking dinner and I thought that I would show you guys that instead of doing like the sped up, like show you, I'm gonna show you guys what we're making here. All right, so we have some pork tenderloin in here. Oops, I'm like all over the place. So we are making this, it's the figgy balsamic pork with roasted green beans and rosemary potatoes. We had it last week, it's really, really good. Potatoes are in the oven. The pork is about to be transferred to the oven along with the green beans. And then we're gonna make like the figgy sauce. And dinner is done. And look. I'm on vacation tonight. Wow, okay then. So, how do you feel about singing the Vlogtober song as my vlog intro? Okay. It's been requested, you have fans.
Oh, okay.
Say hi to your fans.
Hi, fans.
Okay, so we're gonna eat dinner and then we have to go to Target tonight, and I also am getting my massage tonight. So I probably won't vlog again until we get home, and by that time it'll be like 9:30-ish. So probably watch a movie or something. That's normally what we do. So, yep, this is it for right now, but I will come back on later after I've had my massage. Hey guys, just got back from my massage. It was amazing. I am tired now though. Ugh, I can't stop yawning. So I'm going to end the vlog here just because we're probably just gonna watch a movie and I'm probably gonna fall asleep on the couch. It's what I do, which is why my back's screwed up. Actually, I've been really good to not do that, but I probably will do that tonight just because I am tired and James wants to watch a movie. So we're gonna watch a movie and go to bed, and that's pretty much my night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click the subscribe button if you guys want to follow along with Vlogtober or see any other like behind the scenes of sticker shop stuff, planner stuff, all of that. Definitely click the subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you're notified anytime that I upload. And that's gonna wrap up today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.